Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video, we have seen how to update a record in the database using a Java code. So this was the query here and how we have executed the query that we have already covered in the previous video. Now what we need to do, in our database, we have two records with ID 1 and ID 2. I need to delete the ID 2 here with the name Om. So I need to delete it from the database, but I need to make use of Java code. How I can do this? So all things will be similar, right? So the 5 steps that we have: import the package, then we need to establish a connection. Once we have established the connection, then we need to create a statement, then execute a statement, and finally close all the connections. Now, I don't want this particular query. I will comment it out, right? I will create a new query here. So I will say a string delete query, and let's have the query here. So what is the query to delete a record? So we need to say delete from table name. So table name is employee, and which record I need to delete? So I need to have here a where clause. So where ID is equal to 2. So the record which is having the ID 2, I need to delete it. And then the connection will be established, then the statement is created, then we need to execute it. So execute update or just execute will also work fine. And here you need to have the delete query. So I will say here delete query. Fine. Okay, we are getting an error. What does the error says? Change rows to boolean. Okay, because now it's not going to return us. Okay, fine. Execute update. If I say here execute update, what is going to return? It's going to return an integer. But if I say here execute, it's going to return as a boolean. So in that case, I will say here boolean, because it's going to return as a boolean. That's fine. Whether you use execute update or execute, as per the return type, you need to change your variable. So this rows and this is okay, fine. Just we need to say deleted. Fine. Let's see what's the output here. I run this code now. Okay, false, deleted. We are getting here false. Why we are getting here false? Let's check whether in the database we are getting it correct. Okay, we are able to delete it. So basically it will return false because there is no result set. We are going to see what is result set. So it's not recommended to use execute as such. So we will go with execute update only. So let's have our execute update as previous one. And then this is our integer. And this is how we get the rows deleted. But we have already deleted the ID to right. So what I can do, I can insert it again and then I can delete it once more time. I can comment out this. I will insert it. So let's insert it, but we need to make use of insert query for that. So I will say insert query. Now let's ignore for the message here because it's going to insert, but it will print deleted. That's fine. Okay, let's see whether we have got our data. Yeah, we have got the data. Now what we need to do? Again, I need to delete it. So I will have this query. I will have this variable here. Save it and run now. Okay, one row deleted. So we got your message, execute it. Yeah, we are able to delete the record.